Hi friends, let me show you this new car protector for your back seat, dog hammock, that you can use when you want to bring your pets with you on the road and you want to protect your car's back seat. It comes with this really useful carrying bag to store it when you don't use it. As you can see, it's a nice black color with orange details, with orange edges. Okay. This is the window for your dog to see to the front of the car. As you can see, these straps will hold from your headrests, and this is the back of it. Also holding these ones from the headsets of the back seat. Okay, and these ones go to the car's door. We're going to install it so you can see. You also get this hard floor, so your pets will be more comfortable traveling, and you put these hard floors here inside, really easy, just like that. And it will make this more comfortable for your pets. Okay? Perfect. Okay. Also some back to something, okay?